chip for the old country. Not surprising the Chancellor looked so happy. The Caronia's arrival at New York was quite an occasion. It was the first time since the war that the port had welcomed a new ocean liner. The graceful 34,000-tonner made a fine picture as she came slowly up the Hudson, and obviously she aroused a great deal of interest. Not only is she the largest ship built anywhere since hostilities ended, but also it's planned that she'll do a lot of cruising over on that side of the Atlantic. There's no doubt that this magnificent vessel will give excellent value for the dollars she'll be earning. California, the